If I were to start online digital marketing all over again as a complete beginner, this is what I would have done instead of what I did do when I first started. For starters, I would have actually sat down and went through the program at least to get a good understanding of the digital products that I was promoting. Not only that, I would have really learned how to share my story to where I could relate to my potential customers. The second thing I would have done differently is I would have just went onto social media to let people know who I was before I started promoting. And instead, what I did was I hopped on TikTok and I just started promoting my products, even though I didn't really know anything about them and didn't really know what I was doing. And on top of that, I wasn't building any type of relationship with my potential customers. And the third thing I would have done is I would have just been my true self. I have gotten so many compliments now that I don't care about sounding scripted or sounding like I just know everything, and I am just my true self. And by doing that and by just wanting to help people, it has allowed me to bring in money off my phone. So I'm telling you, do those three things if you're starting online digital marketing as a complete beginner. Get a good understanding of the product that you're promoting. If it's a program, a course, a template, whatever it is, make sure you understand it. Two, make sure you're building your audience. Make sure you understand that these people don't know who you are. So when you hop onto social media, if you are just trying to force something onto them, they're probably not going to buy from you because who are you to them? Nobody. And so build that relationship. Just be you. And that leads into the third thing. Just be yourself. I'm a 22-year-old mom. I'm still giddy. I'm still fun. Like, I just want to have a good time while bringing in money off my phone. I really want to help other moms have that financial freedom. And so I just talk from my heart. I don't do scripts. I don't sit and think, what am I going to say on this video? I just speak from my heart. So if you do that, you are going to build relationships with your potential customers, and they're going to eventually trust you enough to purchase from you. So yeah, those are my 3 tips of what I would have done differently if I was starting online digital marketing as a complete beginner again.